Hey, welcome back to our gardens, and today we are drawing a cafe, and we are going to introduce a new series of drawing infrastructure. So let's get straight into today's drawing. So first we start by drawing a straight line in the middle of your page, I guess. Yep, and just like this, and in between the line, draw like this in the middle of your line. Even thicker line, the thinner line. And another on both the sides. Now from here we're going to be going a little diagonal until the line ends. Just a slight turn is needed. Now from this middle 3 lines we're going to be drawing like so, and down it. And a couple more. And draw all of this parallel and drawing this the same size. From here, we'll be going about around 2 here and then the same on the other side too, to make it look more symmetrical. And so now going over. Like that. And now from here we'll be drawing 5 windows above and 2 bigger windows below and a door there. So first we'll go on with the windows over here. So as this we are going, this is a rough sketch, and that's why we are drawing it with a pencil. We could draw it like this and then divide into 5, and then after inking it you could correct it, leaving a gap. 1, 2, 3, 4, and yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all done. Now let's go over from here. To over till here, and do same on the other side. Draw a straight line to connect it, and then below, using a curve, draw another line. Like this. Now, as I said before, we'll be drawing a door now. Same on the side. So here once again we were trying the long windows. So for that, from here we will mostly a little larger than this one. And then draw windows. I'll be drawing from where the window starts. That's just how here. So here we'll be drawing till where the starting of this thing comes. We'll be drawing it so thin. Ladders. Draw some flowers to garnish. Okay. Some like a cactus over here too. And if you want to write cafe somewhere in this, you could write that too. So now let's get to the inking process. There aren't much instructions for that. You could just go over this, and don't forget to divide these. It would look like almost like so there's a little gap in between those, so you have to be looking for that. Now let's get into the inking process. so I just wait a few minutes to let the ink dry, and then I just erase those pencil marks. And that's pretty much it. The coloring will be fast forward after this. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you like the content, please hit the subscribe button and like this video. Please hit the like button too, and give your suggestions in the comment section. So that's all for this video. See you in the next video, and till then, bye.